How to fix Roblox two-step verification, not sending emails. If you're not receiving the Roblox verification email, here's how to fix it. 1. Request a one-time code. Instead of waiting for the usual email, tap "Email me a one-time code." This often works since it's sent from a different server. 2. Check your spam folder. Go to your email, tap the three-line menu, and check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the email gets filtered out. 3. Try logging in from a browser. Go to roblox.com in a browser. Select Continue in Browser instead of opening the app. Log in. This often triggers the email when the app doesn't. 4. Contact Roblox support. If nothing works, search Roblox support on Google. Fill out your details, select Can't Log In, two-step verification, and explain your issue. Submit a ticket. They usually respond within 1 to 2 days. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.